Hello, in this video I am going to show you how to align widgets. So if you have a row or a column, I'll show you with both. There are two different properties that you can modify. There's something called the main axis alignment, and there's also something called the cross axis alignment. So the main axis is always I don't want to say the longest side, but it's the direction that the items go, because in this case we have a row and everything goes from left to right. So the main axis will be the horizontal axis. On a column, because everything goes vertically, the main axis would be the up and down, the vertical axis. So if we do main, I don't know why it didn't come up, main axis alignment, and what we can do is main axis and alignment. So let's say if we do center, and let's see what you get. As you can see, it's centered it. You can also, there's a bunch of other properties, and I'll recommend that you experiment with them. So you can do space evenly. As you can see, it's spread it out, and no matter how many items I add, so if I were to just duplicate this a few times and add it, as you can see, it evens out the spacing. So that's really it for the main axis alignment. Like I said, experiment with the other types. And now if we do cross-axis alignment, it's just in the other direction. So you can have like center for this as well. And at the moment, because it's a row, it doesn't really do much, but depending on the content and the height of it, it will center it. And obviously we don't have much of a height, like any height to it. But if I was to change this to a column, however, and I'm actually gonna comment these out for now. So this is what it looks like as a column. So if I was to put this back in there, as you can see, spread them out, but the main axis for a column is the direction that the elements are going. And again, this doesn't do anything at the moment because it depends on the sort of content you got in there, but that's basically what it is. The main axis is the axis that you are the items are naturally going along, and the cross-axis alignment is, well, the other one. So in the row case, it would be the height or the vertical axis. In the column case, it would be the horizontal axis. What I want you to do as an extra task is experiment with all the different alignment types, and basically put different types of items in there with different sizes, and you'll be able to see this working. So that's your extra task. If you have any questions, feel free to pop me a message, and as usual, I look forward to seeing you in the next video.